For more than 5,000 years, China and India practice foot reading. People in these countries believe the feet act as a mirror to the rest of the body. If there are any lumps, calluses or pain in the feet, they indicate problems elsewhere. For instance, the arches are linked to the spine, meaning a fallen arch indicates a back problem. Also, it is believed the mind and body are linked and physical problems can be caused by personality. But is it true? Jane Sheehan, a reflexologist, is certain that feet show everything about people, from their digestive system function and even the state of their relationships. By looking at your feet you can see if you are a wild and adventurous person, or desire stability, order and harmony in life. In her guide, this reflexologist discovers what your feet say about you. Big toe. People whose big toe is much longer than other toes are smart and creative. They always have a clever solution to the problems. These people see things from different perspectives, but also they may have troubles focusing and don't see projects through. On the other side, if your big toe is small, it means that you can do many things at the same moment. You delegate effectively and are efficient. You use your charisma to influence others with your ideas. Second toe. People with long second toe are qualitative leaders. They are dynamic and creative, and can be bossy. However, people with smaller second toe are not a pushover, but it means they desire harmony.